Hello everyone, welcome to your Project 1 answer section. In this project, I asked you to go to Kaggle, find a data source, do some basic analysis that we haven't covered in class, and then plot the results. So where I went to is one of the first ones I saw in the dataset section, which is this transactions from a bakery. I took this bread data, which had 21,000 rows of data and 4 columns. I basically just grouped all of the items that were purchased, like every single item that was purchased, counted them all by day. So if there were 30 different items sold on, October 30th, you would have one row, which was October 30th, and 30 items. And then I did the polynomial analysis of this and plotted my results. So how this works is I, installed all my packages. This is the CSV from that Kaggle dataset. I use this group by function to count all of the individual numbers in that items column. And so after counting that, I had the total counts per day. I then created an X variable that wasn't a date variable for my X values, because I could just do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as opposed to that complex string. And then I created our Y values, which are basically how many. It was a way for me to extract all of the different items that were sold on a daily basis. So I did a parabolic function fit, so I didn't do a linear one, and that's the difference between what I've shown you before and what we're doing this time. So rather than trying to draw a straight line, I'm trying to draw a line that's kind of curved to see if it fits better. I'm going to show you the function for that and what it ends up looking like, and then I ended up just printing the data as a black line graph, and then I also created a dotted line, which is representing the parabolic regression. Okay, I adjusted some of my parameters here, so my tick axes are a little bit more spread out. I did some labelings and I added the grid, and this is what that all looks like. So my function here is 0.00532 x squared minus almost 1 with an intercept of 164. Okay. So, that's basically an answer for project 1, guys. You can do anything you wanted, but that's how I approached this. I didn't go overboard. I kind of did some safe things and some shortcuts. There are about 100 different things that I want to do to make this analysis better if this was like an official data science project. But with that covers the project, though. If you did this much, I'd say you did a good job. So, with that, guys, see you next project.